make things with our hands, we build things. It adds value to your design. I'm Erik Whitcraft, AIFD, floral contributor for Florist Review magazine. And today I'm going to share with you this exciting armature design. Include a heavy metal candle holder, which I've used as the base, some dry foam, which I've glued into the candle holder with pan melt glue, and then a couple of straight willow reeds, which I've also glued into the dry foam to anchor it really securely. From there, I'm using the vinyl shelf liner. I've cut it into strips, and I'm stapling the strips back and forth together to create this accordion effect. You'll need multiple sections, and you're going to staple them all together to create one long accordion. From there, you're going to anchor your accordion to the tall willow reeds using a little bit of heavy-duty wire on the top and the bottom to make sure it's super secure. After that, I've filled up some water tubes, and then I've cold glued them inside of the accordion armature. Next, you're going to gather up all your flowers. Here I have beautiful roses and ranunculus and carnations from Rio Roses. The rose variety is called 3D, and then this soft kind of coral colored ranunculus pairs really beautifully with it. And I've also used some of the zonal geranium foliage, which I think really adds a spectacular contrast. Once you've completed the overall desired effect, I've woven a little bit of vine over the top of it. This is wild wisteria vine, and it just adds a little bit of kind of looseness over the top. This year, more than ever, we've had time to play, we've had time to learn new things. Some people are learning how to make sourdough bread. I'm learning how to create incredible armatures. For more creative ideas, stay tuned next time, and thanks for watching today. We'll see you again soon.